This will be a quick overview of the tool set service pack from 3Racing. This is a small collection of composite tools that includes ball end removers, wrenches, and the most interesting of all, a small pair of smooth jaw, short nose pliers. By the appearance and texture, the plastic composite appears to be fiber reinforced. There is a small bag of hardware for the pliers. Here's a quick look at the ball end remover and hex nut socket drivers. These could replace the box nut driver that comes in Tamiya kits if you don't want to reach for a dedicated nut socket wrench. Here, I'm just trying to snap off the injection molding runner with one finger to test the strength. The subtle crunchy snap means that it is indeed fiber reinforced. The pliers are fairly small. For reference, I wear size 8 Gentex flight gloves if that means anything to you. There were no instructions for assembling the pliers, so it took a bit of trial and error. The flat washer, conical washer and screw go into the side with the round pocket. The steel nut is obviously installed into the other side that has the hexagonal pocket. Torque it down as much as you wish. The washers ensure that the motion remains smooth. The pliers are comparatively soft, but they are probably still usable for installations that normally only require finger strength. Here is a quick comparison with a pair of Knipex insulated pliers and Tamiya coated pliers. These are particularly useful for installing metal inserts into carbon fiber sheet parts, as you won't run the risk of marring or scratching the part's finish. There is very little risk of marring the parts with these. These Tamiya coated pliers are adjustable and are perfect for installing inserts like those used on the WIRC F22 and LM16. Some Schumacher kits also use metal inserts pressed into the carbon fiber parts. That was an overview of the tool set service pack by 3Racing.